Hello friends, this is CA Rahul Jain. Welcome to my YouTube channel Tax Shorts. So here is an interesting update about income tax. So income tax department is now going to launch a new income tax return filing website which would be more tax friendly. So let's understand कि वो क्या changes ला रहे हैं. It is an income tax short wherein we provide you real-time tax update, income tax update in a very short and a crisp manner. So the update is earlier it was an old website which was incometaxindiafiling.gov.in. Now a new website would be there which is incometax.gov.in. So income tax return filing के लिए अब आपको नई वेबसाइट पे जाना है which is incometax.gov.in and the launch date would be June 7th. So in the next month then there will be new website which will be incometax.gov.in. Expectations क्या हैं? As per the government press release, the website would be very taxpayer friendly. It will allow immediate processing of returns. So अगर आप देखें, earlier it used to take 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, or maybe 6 months to process your tax returns. Now, what government is saying, the returns will be processed on immediate basis, which also implies in quick issue of refunds. So that means अगर आप कोई refund claim कर रहे हैं तो आपके refunds भी बहुत जल्दी आएंगे, which earlier used to take 1 year, maybe 8 months or 10 months. But now it is expected that you will get quick issue of refunds. And जो software होगा for filing the tax return would be very interactive in that sense that you can easily fill your own information with the help of some questions and all that. And so it's not required to get that very in-depth knowledge, provided आपकी जो income details है वो बहुत simple है, like a salary income, maybe house property income. It is expected that software would be free of cost and very interactive. The software may also enable you to pre-file some data, maybe your foreign form 16 data, maybe your TDS data and all that. So it is expected that return जो का data जो populate होके आएगा आपके सामने वो pre-fill होके आए, which is again a very good step, right? And another expectation here is that government may come up with FAQs, tutorials, videos, so that you can easily file your tax returns on your own. So there is no need to get an help of a third party or maybe a CA or maybe a consultant. You can just take some time out, understand the FAQs, go through the tutorials, the videos, and even if you have any query, you can just directly call the call center, right? So again, it's a good step. Now, one of the best steps here is that you can even pay your tax payment to credit card, which was not in the existing system, right? Although net banking is there, RTGS, NEFT there, UPI and credit card is a new system where you can pay the tax system. So basically, what government is saying that be a happy taxpayer while paying the taxes, right? So they really want to cut the hassle. वो चाहते हैं कि जो भी आप process हो return filing में, it's a smooth process और आप खुद file कर सकें, understand your taxes, and if there is a tax paid, you just pay the tax and be happy. Recently, government is now giving this kind of a email to every taxpayer where they have depicted that your website is now revamping and good things are on their way. So let's hope for the best कि website इतनी easy है, इतनी interactive है कि कोई भी easily जाके उसको return file कर सकता है. But you know, planning is always different and execution is always different. So let's see how will the new website will come in, and this YouTube channel will provide you more information about that website once it's alive. So thank you so much for hearing this, and if you like my content, please do subscribe and share. Thank you so much.